Hello strangers, my name is Jay. I'm originally from Argentina, that's where the accent comes from. I know you are gonna be wondering this through this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a drink called Happy Days, which will certainly make your day better. You just grab a jar, any fucking jar you have at home, pour the whole bitter space into the jar. That's your first step. Add some of the dry oranges that you have also in your box. 2 to 3 is absolutely fine. You just crush them, put them in the jar, maybe mix them with the spoon, and then you just cover it. You let this guy sit for 1 night. It's fine. If you want it a little bit stronger, you can let it sit for a bit longer, 2 to 3 nights or so, and that is essentially your bitters. Easy as that. So you're getting 2 for the price of 1 this time. We're making 2 kinds of Happy Days. One is a little bit more spirit forward for those of you that are more familiarized with the taste of alcohol. And the other one is a little bit more refreshing, maybe easier to drink in case you're feeling a bit hungover and you still want to drink some rum. The base for this drink is essentially the same one, and you just need to double up the ingredients when you put them into your shaker. Put some nice amount of rum. Make sure the glasses you're using are cool. So you can put some ice that we're gonna discard later. This is a sexy glass I'm using today. I hope you have something like that at home. If not, anything will do. Put a shit ton of ice in the shaker that we're using as a stirring glass. Some people say you have to stir for an X amount of time. I think all of that is bullshit. When you feel like you can hold this anymore, it's done. Ice out from the tiny one. Strain the water from the big one. That's one. And here we go with the second one. Cool. Then next thing you add in your long one, some orange juice. Some simple syrup. And some soda water. Bam. You want to give it a little stir to this guy. Again, always taste it. This is fucking delicious. And we go with a bit of absinthe as well. It gives a nice mouthfeel, and it's also very nice on the nose as well when you taste this drink. Same with this guy. If you feel like it, if you just really want it very light, you can avoid the absinthe. And the last step is some citrus peel. We're gonna cut 2, since it's 2 drinks, from the side and on top. Bam, bam. Give it a little twist, and inside. You can cut it and make it fancy and impress all your friends, but it's not necessary. And I rarely do this at home as well. I usually just put the big one. So once you got that, just put it inside your glass. And there you go, 2 for the price of 1. And now you cheers and you enjoy.